Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining me here at Genesis11. This is an educational session, part of a series of educational sessions, and today's topic is going to be day trading versus long-term trading. And this is a fascinating topic where traders need to debate whether they want to trade for the short term and show profits right now, or they prefer holding positions for the long term, not selling them, and waiting for even higher returns. So that's the topic of the session. I suggest everybody grab a piece of paper and a pen, and here we begin. So what I'm going to show you today is the idea of when to enter the trade and close the position very quickly, and then you can possibly see very strong returns at the same day. That's called the day trader. And some folks are more conservative. They take a more conservative approach where they say, I want to hold that position for a few weeks and even a few months. And even if it goes down a bit, I'm going to hold on to that position. So let's take a look and see what the difference is between both types of trading. So on the Genesis11 platform, after you logged in, of course, the chart that you see in front of you is, of course, the BTC chart, the Bitcoin chart. Here at Genesis11, our expertise is in crypto. And a lot of people, some people, want to hold Bitcoin for the short term. And some people want to hold Bitcoin for the long term. And I think everybody needs to ask themselves, what kind of trader am I? Am I a day trader or am I more of a long-term trader? Do I need the profits right now, or am I able to hold that position even if it goes against me and then sell it at a higher price in the future? So when you look at Bitcoin, one of the ideas when you think about trading for the short term or long term is just looking at the charts and seeing what the charts say. So, for example, one of the main ideas is I'm going to go to a shorter term chart, let's say a 1 hour chart, and even, you know what, I'll go to a 4 hour chart. Something really interesting I want to show you guys. We were prepared when Bitcoin was rising. Of course, Genesis11 account managers knew all about it, and there was a specific moment that we wanted to trade, and it's where I'm putting the kind of the star here at 20,000. And you can see that after it broke above 20,000, there was a big jump up. You can see all these green candles after the break above 20,000. We were prepared for this, and this was the perfect moment to trade for the short term. So what we did is we started to buy. Everybody clicked on buy here. We saw the price skyrocket after it broke above the very famous $20,000 level. And then after a day, maybe maximum a couple of days, we sold the position. I think some traders sold, a lot of traders sold the position at the same day. After we broke above that and people made money on a day trade, then a lot of folks said, okay, maybe it's time to hold Bitcoin for a bit longer, right? And then what happened was that we saw an even bigger uptrend, but an uptrend that took some time. You can see where the star is. That was the first uptrend. That was the short-term trade. But if I put a second star around here you didn't see that kind of momentum. It was trading kind of sideways. But then, what a break upwards in the price of Bitcoin. Let me just show you this with an arrow here and another arrow here. Because it wasn't a specific level as opposed to the 20,000 level, we didn't know when the big movement upwards is going to be. Therefore, that was the time to hold the position. And I think that the chart of Bitcoin that you're seeing right now is a great example of using both short-term tactics and long-term tactics. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay with me for more educational sessions coming up very, very soon.